in this session, we will look at recording opening balances for your students in Rise School Management. You can always do it with a journal, but we have a specific tool which was designed for opening balances in Rise School Management. To do that, we go to School and then Opening Balances. Choose your list of your existing opening balances, and then to create a new one, you just click on Create. I will put in the date range, which should be the 31st of December 2019. It tells me it's from a previous year. And I will put here 2019 students closing balance. This can be done in two ways. You can import these balances from an Excel spreadsheet, or you can add one by one. I will show you adding them one by one. Let's say, for example, for this learner, it's going to be minus 50 Rand. Then I click enter and I choose the other learner. Let's choose this one, for example, it's going to be 100. Then the next learner, it's a debit balance of 80 Rand. The next learner is a credit balance of 200, and so on. So what are you basically going to do here? You just click add and then you start adding the names of the learners with opening balances. As you can see, when it's a credit opening balance, you put a minus sign, and when it's a normal debit opening balance where the student is owing the school, you leave it with a positive. And then just save just to make sure. When you're done adding all the names and the amounts for the learners, you will post and close. Then, let's say you want to import the balances. What are you going to do? You will click Import Balances, and then you would prepare an Excel spreadsheet with the code of the learner, the surname, the name, and the balance. You will click Read from File, and you select the specific file that you want. Then what are you going to do? You will match. So, okay, code is in the first column, name is in the third column, surname the second column, and the balance is on the fourth column. Then you will click Next, Next, and Import. Then you will have your balances appearing here in the system with a tick. I found that it's much easier to do it straight in the system instead of capturing in an Excel spreadsheet and then importing it to the system. So instead of capturing in the Excel spreadsheet, you come straight to the system to capture the opening balances. And it's very easy to do. Let's say now you actually just want to pick a specific grade. You click on Pick. Let's say it's grade 5A. I will untick grade R. I will tick a few learners. And I will select. So all of them appear here, then you can go there and put in the amounts. But now let's say you want to, let me tick all of them so I can delete it. Let's say you want to select the whole school. I will click Fill in Counterparties. Do you see? This is the whole school. Okay, so you can do it in these four ways: by adding one by one, and then putting the balance, by picking a whole grade or a whole class and then going and putting in the balance for each one, or by selecting the whole school by clicking Fill in Counterparties. And at the same time, you can also import from an Excel spreadsheet. When you're done, just click Post and Close, and that's how you will have your opening balances in Rise School Management. So if I post these ones, post and close. Now let me show you how the learner card will look like. If I go to Document Journal, I have my opening balances here. There you go, 50 Rand. And that's how we record opening balances, whether it's credit or debit in Rise School Management.